Good afternoon, friends. We are out here in Heron's Forest, Pensacola, Florida, 32506, I believe. Stone's throw from NAS Pensacola back gate and Perdido Key. We have a gorgeous home for you. Address is 10104 Bittern Drive. That's Bittern. Lovingly maintained, gorgeous home, plenty of space, square footage sitting at 2,800 square feet, just a hair over. Take a look inside. That's the blue angels flying outside. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3.5 bath actually. Gorgeous hardwood throughout the main living areas. Truly divine. We've got plant ledges, high ceilings, crown molding, built-ins, formal dining room. This is our formal living room. The built-ins here. Breakfast nook, entry from the formal living and dining rooms. Big open kitchen, open to the family room. This gorgeous granite. Built-in desk, gas stove, wall oven, stunning kitchen with pantry, family room with the electric fireplace, the hearth surround matching the granite. Really works together. I'm going to come right across and take a look at our primary suite. So off this little hallway here, it's got a powder room. It's a half bath. Pocket doors. To the right, our master bedroom with its own entry to screened in porch out there. Ensuite, lighted vanities. Dual jetted garden tub. Then separate walk-in shower, tiled all the way to the ceiling. Water closet I find myself in here. And a very generous walk-in. Beautiful amenities in the master. Water wall carpet in the bedroom. So it's split floor plan. We're gonna head back across through the family room. We're gonna go right first. Start again and work our way down. Bedroom. Double vanities here in this Jack and Jill. Shower tub combo in there. And another pocket door. Additional bedroom number 2. Back out into our hallway. The loop-de-loop. You see closet here. More cute pocket doors. We've got a full bath here. This is our in-law suite. Shower tub combo. And our mother-in-law. That crown molding throughout. In the hallway here, just off of the mother-in-law, we have a screen porch, dedicated. Overlooking the backyard. This is separate from the screen porch off of the master and the living room. Take a little look-see in the backyard. Ooh. Acreage sitting at 0.2635. There's that screen-in porch again off the master and the living room. Generous backyard. Got your shade, got your sun. Architectural shingle. Not sure if I mentioned home built in 1998. So anywho, we are here at 10104 Bittern Drive in Herons Forest. That's in Pensacola, 32506. Y'all come take a gander.